feeling I was born.
Really, Viddyoze is one of the biggest points in my arsenal for creative coolness.
I love it because it is so easy to use. The simplicity, it's just so quick, so simple, anybody can do it.
Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know
Cannot say enough about it. The guys, they are great. The support's phenomenal. So hands down, if you're ever sitting on the fence of whether to go with Viddyoze or not, even if you're in the motion graphic industry or not, go for it. Give it a shot. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Viddyoze, and I am so excited to see what's coming in the future.